Hey everyone, it's Alan. I'm just at Norris Road. Just thought I'd show you around. They're putting the curb in. Council have come out and proof rolled it. They put the water truck over it and seen if it's solid. This is good. So now what they're doing is they're putting the curb and channel in, which now it's starting to looking the part now. And you see the cement truck up there, and they're putting a little machine up there. They'll put the curb in both sides. Probably take 2 days, and they'll finish connecting up these gullies, all finished as off. And then what they'll do is they'll put a more road base up to about 50 mil underneath that gutter, and then they'll put the asphalt over the top. You can see there when you've got the curb in, you've got an edge now, so they can start putting the soil back to the edge of the curb, and then they can put the footpath, and they'll do that on both sides. Footpaths will go in one side only. They tidy up all the water meters, the fire hydrant, valving and all that sort of stuff. You can see here they've flattened out this pad, these few blocks here. It won't take much to get this done once the asphalt is in. The only trick is the asphalt they need the road base, a bit of sun on it before they can put asphalt. It's got to be dry, maybe a bit tricky with the current weather. Keep you up to date. Hopefully that'll be all done before Christmas, right? So it'll be good. Okay, talk soon.